Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Zone. Entrepreneurs are a big part of any economy, and, well, we would not be wrong in claiming that entrepreneurship is the dream of every teenager. In this age of the internet, everyone is looking for something they can do from the comfort of their homes and screens. So, if you are someone looking for a hustle that could get you some money without leaving your house, then this video is exactly for you. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss out on the top 15 legit ways to make money online. Number 15, app developing. Now, app developing is a job which is a skill-dependent job, so its scope narrows down a bit. But if you are a software engineering student or a computer science student, then you will know it's no big deal to create an app once you've learned the skill. With the world getting digitalized, selling your app is the best way of earning money. One can make a handsome amount of money by just selling one app. Sell My App is one of the best platforms where you can sell your apps. Number 14, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best gigs of 2020, and it's well worth a try. All you need is to affiliate yourself with a brand or online business such as Amazon, Alibaba.com, etc. You must either buy their products and give reviews, or simply compare and contrast their products with those of others in the market. In this way, you will be promoting the brand. Affiliate marketing via blogs and websites is way more successful and pays much more. The companies pay in the form of money or products. Number 13, SEO services. This job is added to the list considering the high demand rate for SEO experts in 2020. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and the job of an SEO expert is to optimize an online piece of content such that it is ranked higher on any search engine. Again, this is another skill-based job, but believe us, being an SEO expert requires more of a dedication than skill. And even if you're a complete noob in the field, you can learn the basics of SEO within a week, which is more than enough for you to go on. With an increase in online content, it is more difficult to catch an audience. The solution with this problem is in SEO, which makes it one of the most highly paid services of 2020. Number 8, proofreading. And here comes one of our favorites. Have you ever realized that a thing as simple as proofreading a piece of writing can lead to some books? If not, then this is the right time to get in on it, because several online websites and organizations are hiring people for proofreading articles, books, and even research papers, and grant them money in return. Some of the sites where you can find a task waiting for you are FlexJobs, Proofreading Pal, Fiverr, etc. Number 11, online teaching. Okay, so the 11th hustle that we're sharing with you is online teaching. With the spread of COVID-19, various daily life jobs have been digitalized. One of them is teaching, and through several online platforms that are serving a particular purpose over the years, this is the exact right time to step into this business. In 2020, the rate of hiring online tutors is higher than ever. Also, there is a very positive possibility that online platforms have a brighter future ahead. So, if you're a college student or high school student, or even an adult with a good grasp of any subject, then this job is exactly for you. Some of the places where you can sell your skills include Khan Academy, Tutor.com, Preply, etc. Number 10, academic services. The 10th hustle on this list is providing academic services. Now, online tutoring and providing academic services are two completely different things. There are people out there who are willing to pay you for helping with their college assignments or products. Again, for this job you need to have a good grasp of the subject that you'll be dealing with, but believe us, it is going to be much more beneficial, as it consumes less time and pays much more. Also, if you're someone looking for a short-term contract rather than a monthly or yearly one, then this job is suitable for you, as it will not require your efforts consistently. The duration of these assignments and projects lies within a week, which is a very convenient time frame. Platforms where you can sell your services include Fiverr, Facebook groups, and WhatsApp groups. Number 9, vlogging. The 9th way on this list is vlogging. Now, here comes the interesting one. So if you're an extrovert or a person who knows how to lock the attention of an audience, then this seems to be the perfect job for you. It is enjoyable, flexible, and you are the master of your art in this scenario. All you gotta do is pick up the camera and start recording your daily life routine while interacting with your audience. It is indeed the occupation of the era. You can get motivation from celebrities like Kylie Jenner and Will Smith, fitness influencers like Chloe Ting, people like you and me as in the Edwards family and It's Judy's Life. YouTube is by far the most conventional vlogging site because it's free. So we can say that it is a zero investment online business that not only gets you money, but also fame. Number 8, starting your own website. Yes, you heard it right. So if the previous hustle was not something of your type and you'd rather be more comfortable in not being recognized, then we've got you covered. Here is an alternative option for you too. Blogging is one of the oldest, yet the most reliable and successful means of online earnings. Making a website has never been this easy, as it's gotten super simple these days. All you gotta do is follow a 5-minute tutorial that can get you through any authorized platform, and then you're ready to go. Post whatever type of content you want to post. Could be a blogging site, a survey site, a news website, etc. Once your website attains traffic, you can earn via Google Ads or web. Some simple website creation platforms are WordPress, Weebly.com, and Wix.com. Number 7. Graphic designing. Graphic designing is again one of the oldest yet most promising jobs to invest your time into. As the businesses are growing by each day, so is the need for logos and banners for their identity and promotion. So, if you even have a basic knowledge in any design software like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, then you should try your luck with this hustle. The best part is that it's still a very wide scope. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $15,000 per logo. This makes this job the most accommodating. The platforms where you can sell your services include Fiverr, Design Hills, Etsy, and Design Cuts. Number 6. Making your course. Now this one might surprise you, but yes, if you're good at something, never do it for free was the older version. The newer version says that if you're good at something, never teach it for free. So if you can qualify for any particular domain, whether it be programming, fitness, arts, languages, etc., you can turn that into an online course and sell it. Websites like Udemy are willing to buy courses from people. Number 5. Freelancing. Now, this may sound very mainstream, but that's exactly the gist of this video, that whatever skills that you have, you can sell them online. There are proper freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer that let you promote your skills by making gigs for people where they can buy them from you. So if you didn't find any of the already mentioned hustles on this list of interests, then this is definitely for you. Whatever you're good at, be it voice acting or photo editing, you can list it on one of these platforms and get hired. Number 4. Digital marketing services. This job is one of the most promising online since it is an online business rather than a job. With the increase of online marketplaces in recent years, the competition in the online market has definitely increased. Everyone needs the best means of advertisement for their company. In this hour of need, you can launch a digital marketing company that can hire people with different skill sets and get jobs done for different clients. Here, your role will be of a moderator. Your efforts will be minimum. All you need for this online way of earning money is some management skills and you're good to go. This job requires long-term dedication, but in the end, it is all worth it. Number 3. Starting a podcast or a digital show. One of the most infamous ways of getting fame in this digital day and age is to start a digital show. Now, of what good is this fame to you? Well, the more you attract an audience on digital media, it is counted as traffic for your content. So, if you think you've got the tactics to pull off a digital show, whether it be person-to-person podcast or a show featuring an audience, then this hustle is perfect for you. You'll have good traffic on your content and you'll get paid either by web or Google Ads, or whatever means you choose. The best platform to start a show in 2020 is indeed YouTube. Number 2. Video editing. Video editing is one of the easiest, interesting, and selling skills of 2020. Be it vloggers or podcasters, online tutors, marketing agencies, or online marketplaces, everyone needs a good video editor for their video. The best parts of this job is that you do not need any pre-training for it. It's a skill that can be learned along the way. The most commonly used video editing applications are Adobe Premiere, Filmora, and other Android apps. So, if you are anyone up for earning some money online in a short period of time without learning a new skill, then this is definitely the best side hustle for you. The amazing part of it is that despite its convenience, it pays a handsome amount of money. Number 1. Selling your art. Now, if you are someone with an artistic mind, a person who loves to create art journals, or someone who enjoys painting, then this is definitely the job for you. You can turn your passion into a hobby and turn that into cash by just making a little effort, and that is to list your art for sale online. There are several online platforms where you can sell your crafts and arts, but if you want to create a self-administered system for yourself, then the most convenient method in our view is to open up a shop on either Facebook or Instagram. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!